So today I will tell you how you can add auto captions for free to your YouTube videos, TikTok or Instagram Reels. So without wasting your time, let's get started. You have to open Google Chrome and search here, Clipchamp. You have to open the first website. I will give its link in the description. Then you have to click on try for free and sign up here. Its app is also on Microsoft Store. You can install it also. It is absolutely free. After signing up here, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Then you have to click on create new video. After that, you have to import any video you want to add subtitles to here. Drag it to the timeline. After that, here you will see the option of captions. Click on it and click on turn on captions. Select your language and click on transcribe media. It will take some time and it will transcribe your video something like this. So our auto captions are added. Now we play it.
Money is very powerful, and sometimes saying no to it is more powerful.
You can see that our auto captions have been added in this way. After that, if you want to change its color or change the font, you will select your text here. In this way I select this line and double click on it. Here's something like this. After that you will see here the option of text has been appeared. Click on it. Here you can change its alignment. You can change its color. You can choose any color from here this way. And from here you can change its font. Yes, it looks much better. Now we export our video. Click on export, and here click on 1080p. Our video is exporting. After exporting, the final result is in front of you.
Money is very powerful, and sometimes saying no to it is more powerful.
Now you can add auto captions on your video for free and tell me how you like the video by commenting. Like the video if you like it, and share it with your friends. Must subscribe my channel to watch such useful videos. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.